I'm at the beach in Broadstairs, and you see that iconic clifftop house right there? That is Bleak House. And it was a summer home for Charles Dickens, but now the owners here want to make it a summer home for Swifts. But first things first, let's grab a coffee, because they've got a coffee shop here that's open to the public. Charles Dickens had a multi-decade love affair with Broadstairs, and he loved this house in particular, so pop in and take a look. Right, so let's head up to the roof of this building. Now, in my opinion, this is one of the best views in all of Thanet. It's amazing. Right, get ready for this view. It's quite something. Who go on the roof? Look at that view, look at it. Absolutely beautiful view from up here. And it's a panoramic view right the way round there. Absolutely amazing. Right, now to get the skies alive and helping these Swifts out. Let's do this. Right, we've decided we're going to stick it just up here. And there we go, that's it, all installed. I'm really happy with that. Guys, pretty cool this place. You can sit out here with a drink in this beautiful garden looking across the beach, and every now and again you get swoops of Swifts just screaming past over your head. And having that box on this building is going to really bring the skies to life when you're sat out here having a drink. Swift are an incredible bird, and they're very active in this area, and I'm so pleased to get a triple nest box on this iconic building. Swift have declined by over 70% since 1995. They're a fascinating bird. They eat, sleep, drink and mate all on the wing. In fact, the only time a Swift lands is to raise a young family, and now this iconic building, Bleak House, is going to help keep the skies alive on Broadstairs seafront. Get wild.